had just been placed in a new home with his friend Joe, the old mule, who wasn't really his friend yet, but he will be. And he came in there and he was concerned, and you're looking around and seeing all this new place, and all these different things like you're loved. He didn't know what that meant. But as we continue, Knothead had had a good night's rest, and it was the next day. Let's pick up with a story. The sun peeked over the horizon early the next day. The birds were singing and the rooster crowed loudly. Farmer Brown came out to the barn with a bucket of oats and said, "Good morning, Joe. Top of the morning, Favor," as he patted me on the head. He sure talks different. What did he say to me? Favor? Who's he calling? What's he calling me Favor? My name's Knothead, as I showed him with my kicking and snorting and rambunctious nature. He did not know who he was talking to. I'll show him. Today, as we're going to cut hay on the Myers land, Farmer Brown said, as he got a bridle out. "Here you go, Joe. Attaboy. Okay, Favor, are you ready?" "Easy, boy. Easy," Farmer Brown said. "Easy," said it. Ease that bit into my mouth. The taste is terrible, and I won't let anything like this thing controlling my mouth. The first chance I get, I'm going to give this guy a swift kick. Easy, Joe Bray. This is the way you can know the master's will. How's that? The bit in your mouth will let you know. I don't understand, I said. You will, said Joe. Farmer Brown led Joe and put a collar and some other harnesses on him and said, "You're next, Favor. This might be my chance." Ouch! I declared as I felt the pressure on my tongue with that bit. "Nay, nay!" I tried to say, but it wouldn't come out. If he gets near my back hoof, I'm going to give him a piece of my mind. All he says is gentle words and patted me on the side. But I don't like this pressure on my tongue. He hooked me up with something called a yoke to old Joe. Now I can't do anything with this old stubborn old mule hooked up to my side. Farmer Brown came and put something around my eyes. All I could see was straight ahead. I think he called them blinders. I did not like being restricted in what I see and view. "Look straight ahead at the task ahead of you," Joe said. "First my mouth is restrained, then my eyes. This is going to be," page 2, "a long day." Old Joe didn't seem to be worried much. But what else is going to happen? Yeah, I know, we'll see. Farmer Brown took us around the equipment shed and attached us up to something called a sickle mowing machine. The machine cuts grass, and it's winter. "We get to eat some of the hay," Joe said, bellowed. "I can eat all I want now. So what is this for?" I know. We'll see. Right now I can't see anything except what's directly ahead. Wow, look, Joe, at that filly. Woo! Wow, wait, I want to look. Harness pulled me in towards the field. "We have to work to do," Joe snorted as the yoke kept tugging me along. "Now you have learned what the blinders are for." "Yep, and I don't like it." "Discipline, Favor. You will learn life is not about you. It's about doing the will of the Master, because he has for you, he's not against you. He is for you. What about me? Life will make sense when you learn the master's plan, Joe laughed as he walked on. We got into the big field of hay, and there we began going back and forth as the sickle cut the hay. I'm hungry, so I tried to get a snack when I felt the reins on my back gently reminding me, as well as that old mule pulling me along with that awful yoke. Well, tune in tomorrow as we see how the day progressed with Old Favor and Joe.
Day in, day out, it's the same road we're walking down. Same job, same town, 'cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow. But when it melts, the other ways will show. We're